Most people think Rewarded Play and Mistplay are basically the same app. But here's the truth no one tells you. One of these apps can earn you rewards much faster depending on how you actually use your phone. In this video, we're comparing Rewarded Play versus Mistplay in 2026. I'll break down which app pays better, which one is easier for beginners, the biggest pros and cons of both, and which app is actually worth your time. Let's get straight into it. First, both apps reward users for playing mobile games. You download games through the platform, complete gameplay milestones, and earn points that can later be redeemed for gift cards. Sounds similar, right? But here's where it gets interesting. The earning systems are very different once you start using them daily. Mistplay focuses heavily on long-term gameplay progression. The more time you spend inside supported games, the more units you earn over time. It's designed mainly for Android users and rewards consistent gaming sessions. Rewarded Play, on the other hand, often feels more milestone-focused. Many users earn points faster by completing specific in-game achievements instead of simply playing longer. For example, Jake from Texas spent 2 weeks testing both apps. On Mistplay, he earned steadily through daily gaming sessions. But on Rewarded Play, he reached faster payouts because some games had aggressive bonus milestones. But here's the problem. Many users compare these apps without understanding their gaming habits first. This is where most people fail. If you hate grinding through levels for hours, Mistplay may feel too slow. But if you enjoy long gaming sessions naturally, Mistplay can become more consistent over time. In a minute, I'll explain which app usually works better for beginners. Another major difference is reward variety. Both apps offer gift cards, but available rewards can vary depending on your country and device. Alex from California preferred Rewarded Play because he found the interface simpler and easier to understand during his first week using reward apps. Now here's where it gets even more important. Mistplay usually has stronger community recognition and a larger user base, which gives some users more confidence. But Rewarded Play often feels more beginner-friendly because of its straightforward design. Another factor is game availability. Some users discover that one app simply offers better games for their personal interests. If you enjoy puzzle games, strategy games, or casino-style apps, your experience can change significantly depending on the available offers. But remember this. Neither app will replace a real income. These platforms work best for casual users who already spend time playing mobile games and want rewards as an extra bonus. Another smart strategy is using both apps instead of choosing only one. Many experienced users rotate between platforms depending on which app currently has the better promotions and bonuses. So here's the bottom line. Mistplay is often better for long-term consistent gamers, while Rewarded Play can feel faster and simpler for beginners focused on milestone rewards. The best app depends on your gaming style, patience, and preferred reward system. If you've tried both apps before, comment below which one paid you faster and why. And if this comparison helped you decide which platform to use, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reward app reviews and tutorials.